fufu bramie ni fufu style bia.
And you started very well, Ucha. Your first is much your brand too much like Okra. By English as I say by team and my team slow down Kakra. Tisano Mekan. English high last season. Your players in the mentioned them for your team, your captain, Moro Mayfield, Mena, or my sign, or getting Ukraine, Latif and Abiabe County, good addition. And I make your prepare well for the upcoming season. See a bomb pie say you started very well, Ucha. Your first 6 matches, your boy brand in so much like Okra. By I'm saying English as I say by team and my team slow down Kakra. Tisano Mekan. English high last season. Your players in the mentioned them for your team, your captain, Moro Mayfield, Mena, or my sign. Or getting Ukraine, Latif and Abiabe County, good addition. And I make your prepare well for the upcoming season. See a bomb pie say you get
face one side be on bad of mine cry or Mohayen. And over a first home match expectation is on. The club or the piano, your bota and say a Belgian league this season. And of course, say Belgian league here. Every home match be an ebe here. Phase are stop, of course, they are being coached by your former Coach Nuru and a coach or yenim how competent ya or ye and they quality signings support the nation say first game you know remember in their numbers abe support yen you are going all out say budget 3 points because yenim say idea a boy na football club that be my 18 them strong Ghana and say you respect your venue na buan stadium ya tadi nkuku the whole last season team be lose you ofie apart from Diana football club na your west air draw Kingfisher omo den. You
know, we've been playing the 3-5-2 and I assigned everybody the role to play. And they were playing the role perfect. You see, they could not play, Adriana could not play. Because we always outnumber them in the midfield. And our attackers were very fast. So when we outnumber them and we try to possess the ball power, we invite them to come, then we play it to our attackers. They use the pace, outwit them, and we get the goals. Very, very fantastic. I told you, with them back, you will see the midfield will gel. You know what? During their absence, I think there was a shortcoming at the midfield there. But now they are back. They are used to the way we play in the middle. I'm happy. Extremely happy. I thought we were going to win, and we've done it. Time will tell. Let's get to the time.
Fan entry because Obi say Obi a Kotoko scouter. One here nipa no twemba bi no bobo. Maybe now recommend players maybe am I. Course Adanti no more be ni shrine. One area now me very concerned say answer as Adanti for befa player bi dey about omo academy no. Omo about 46-page document. As a player no pass through all those perimeters. 8 pages document. Omo they have a IT media team. Omo study boy and the player no crack activity on social media. Omo player, omo background the player to unza broaching say to make sure that so we also trying to mean here all the 46 because you shall say so we are also trying to define Asante Kotoko DNA say Asante Kotoko player what particular player and a year pa representing.
My ambition is to be in to win the highest goal scorer in the Premier League and to help my team to achieve their goals.
But me, I'm a senior also. No, I've been a quite. Been a baby that you. You do the one so about work it out or repeat to you. Okay. Made on them. I do my time. Papa, maybe. Okay. Mam Pacho. She's a from Bapana. You going so a son for them with the banana. No, I never went from them. Yeah, so at your party, you can mean almost 50 years. Some people come, Matumagu. Send the media Mediska. Intelligent. Mimde miezi bangu pon no simpe niambe Maurice niambe ba chepali mimi kuna mimi ya fine
plan what they call no what no ma nkwala no looking some plan within 7 minutes I consider 2 goals where plan papa who could use 3 strikers field no so and away match like this had their own share idea because was the first match obia this own in football obia who say it was not a mean game easy it was even in the run of play no goal no by they didn't outplay the Moroccans even in Ghana here. It's enough to tell you to strategize yourself in your home and know that when you go there it's easy. So you have to just play only one striker and the rest should be defending so that you can hold on to the ball and come and counter attack. It's as simple as that. Now, space now, within 7 minutes, I shall 2 goals now. And now goes, starting flow. Anka, Richard, goalkeeper, no, Anka, how many goals go now? But a discouraging players, but I hope that they shouldn't discourage. There's still another chance to the confederation now, but they should learn. This is where you go your coaching.
The football assembly from China, Mohamed there, or the Mini Akuma. Mohamed loves Hasselhoff. He has a running contract with Hasselhoff. The club respects him, and he respects the club, and he's a player of Accra Hasselhoff. The amount for Kikawa Bon daily, what I will say is that he respects Hasselhoff. And he has a running contract with us.
Team Biafra is RT and Team Biafra. We Accra Sports Stadium. And now, Jones, see, Amankwa, this match don't cross the center line. And I'm saying yes, sir. The match of Shedney Waka, you coach, see, Mammy cross the center line. And that year, Mammy cross the center line because Amankwa will pay support. Or see, some match, Mammy cross the center line. I'm saying yes, sir. Starting ball in about 10 minutes. The coach can say media. Jansen, no. The coach can say media. But Jansen, so within the 10 minutes, now I was doing that. I was doing that. We do center line now. After that, I say, Amankwa. I said, I said, because I am not the partner. So, young coach, you have me piano, me born at that time. It is not boss. The coach can do for to be cry. So, after 10 minutes, no, boss, I just tell you, Bobby, I may take you off about the part now. The German come to some pians and me crossing. Now, I could find a guy to pine. Go. The yeah, man, half time no. Because the late Jones, because the name say one country. Or may you see me answer. And so as a coach, you don't have a danger players. You suffer. That's the truth. And so for me, I'm thinking say, how to put players they are not that intelligent to help the coach. For now, no. But can I say?
Starting from me, just in America, I didn't reach it at Opento, Ghana captain, then Dodu. And Yusuf Yaya, Fuseni Idi, Richard Ekwam, or players in our just goalkeeper back on Pen of Ghana be joining. And Mubarak Mohammed, Hamza Mohammed, you're coaching or the Richard Stephen Obin, yes, official name. Me assistant captain, Esanko, Utumi joining, but oh yes, when your ticket, or not your friend Francis Mchida Kwanka, so joining your friend is Tanzania, but yes, when your ticket. This year, so no, your friend is Enimbre. 1 o'clock Sunday Minfanes anapa Monday anapa 1 o'clock and flight sana to take say ye won bibi at enimwe and they say in term na ebia say be fit Tanzania straight na ya bagana na ye be present cabro mama na ye di ebia one day pe na ya return it back to take it back akotwa ye gumanu
and I think tomorrow we play against the best team of the group. That good players who are playing in Europe. I saw several videos of Ghana, so it will be a tough game, but we will have our possibilities, and it is on our side to find them. And if we can find them, we can put them in problems. We don't have to be afraid, certainly not. The players have to be confident to start the game of tomorrow, even when it will be tough, and we will see where we end. My team can make the same performance a little bit better maybe because the opponent of tomorrow is stronger, but that they can make the same performance than Friday with organization, also some good attacks, good organization defensively. So we will need it tomorrow, but again I'm confident and we will see what now in terms of player quality, now boys no media and media mo say class the breeding woman in even boss last year cry one money now no man could in
ye manage to for last year na ye ba dream share 4 ye ko be share 4 the car good as go share 4 last season ye play the omoje di na pa ko e caliber man kwa ja e ko e mira na league no inyamunye polidu eja e honom Johnny Kinchesa ye Congo ni Igbo Ikama eja e ho eko pm e Nigeria club that play the same year na ana a defender Farouk Adams the car ko police media said eko ye abanya sema in celebrate. How you the club on the firm, one season, no, your coach back of the season, and no, a party is. I'm a new coach by any manage so far. Not this year, no, my idea. Wow, idea. Coach is going to be a sort of. You know, yeah, Bompire, country, we are ready for the battle. The team is ready. Luckily for us, the best starting African Cup of Nations qualifier in June. We use their qualifier as also a training warm up for the World Cup. Aside that, FIFA may opportunity. Me have both friendly matches. I'm a team now prepared for the World Cup. I have no doubt at all that with the current crop of players that we have, then with the current tactical technical team that we have, and with the current GFA Black Star Management Committee that we have, I have no doubt that we put all the necessary things in place. And Nana Adamto Akufo-Addo has promised that he has charged me to ensure that every logistics or financial needs that the team needs, we should work around it and make sure that we provide for them. So that they will go to Qatar not only to be just to go there and participate, but to go there and make an impact. Because we have a rich history as far as World Cup is concerned. In 2006, they called Germany. 2010, yes, I called South Africa. We represented the entire continent as far as the World Cup was concerned. And 2014, yes, I called Boyam 116. Ghana has a rich history as far as World Cup tournament is concerned. And I have no doubt at all that this current team can also make problem. Because introduce a new boy in the system. It's not fair. Since December, you lose too much being home and away. Expectations are better. I got 3 points. You'll be high. You draw here and there. But since December, you lose too much. Or to say a large game, we lost. But you know, like I said, football there. What would you know now? Like I said, never say be bad. You're punching blame one way out. When you coach the player, the Tottenham hospice, when you coach the player, because once you are winning, so also draw cry or take one step, you lose and also win about play, he's still moving. Unless of course something happens, because I am very in can say I thought they wanted to break my record or equal my record with Kotoko, because when I league in about 5 matches, I'm beating 15 goals and 15 points. Intina Kotoko, supporters of Krano for 5015.com. 15 goals, 15 points. And at this time, so also have 4 matches when you're 12 points. In Dowden, you want the add up and the whole record in the league, you know. And when we took over, and then we were at the top, you know, young that is what I'm saying.
Ready for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
the Command 97.1 and Nano Payasian Babetanasi. Weekend edition of the Command Global Sports. On the 2nd of September 2023. That's nice. Me dana is running up a year week, you know. Yeah, my coach, you cover my running up. After the weekend, you know, at the episode. It's an aqua me da. I could even somehow draw a coach, you cover my head in bar. And then somehow do an hour. Onum said no down and I had a transfer deadline. Our manane. And the transfer say cost to Europe and rather abanewie. Team ya bitoya no wafa. Wanya bi anton so an wafa ne sa. No motoma ono eso wani an wafa so wani so oya den how de bebo. Then no other FC Barcelona. Ba. Team night there. Barcelona, emu there. Emu ham. Christ, I go through the in fear no young quine. One am quine who first to put to bones and now we are Trinity. And we are Trinity, and we are Trinity, and we are Trinity. Zampa and quine about square. Young Calvedy, now so Yamao. Master Tim no, oh, another two crucial signings. The Jao Square. Jao Square and another Ecto, you are Portuguese international. Jao Felix, Jao Cancelo, and now Barca new cry said team white loan, we low, yes, I have a loan next season. Yes, free food. General Barca. Chelsea so no near that Manchester Biasa. But Manchester United surprisingly signing Mienubi. They didn't have a brew fear. The return of a legend. United and Yadinin Abeba. Now Nottingham Forest and not that place so much to confirm me and Kwabe Edu. Nottingham for now. Some more. We will have needed this uncommon transfer deadline. Man City strategic signings no more year that general deadline and when you saw maybe be Titrubia. The Beramnia confirmed players in your signings and the amount. Top flight major European leagues in Becoso and now Anopa LA kickoffs our hall. The Beram Spain, Italy, Germany, France, and our fins as usual, the English Premiership. And then a China and our fins on a Joada matches Becoso. Yeah, the fixtures in Beba. Yeah, the league table Nigo King charts in Aba. Here the commodity found. If you are near Buffy, I be dear Fee in common. Common so doors so few. The Beram near the commodity free war. I'm Pim Dakwan ladies and common ebedi. Now local transfers and so Koso. On himself, Finidia Bassett, Nankan Runner said transfer the line. Oh, fear corner year. But in penny for two, Edia Kosi Fiada. Team Senada so your signings as Santa Coroqueda so after folk and so at me every place in the be Ariana Star, Amunia Ibe near the moon come on. Ye be sase ye leagues no and as ye clubs no my crado at the ama fee league nana. You dis say utim no why crado at the ama a fee Ghana Premier League no. You know bidding come on. And I pay Jamaica so I see I this sports neighbor and so no one expert. One expert, me still be trap matches and what did you no one expert. Did you free one expert? Register nothing to make a deposit. First deposit yeah, my 100% bonus. Now so what me the trap bet in be. To make come for one expert the amount. The boys in Muram Namunchane outside so Ubedia Cassia. Who didn't so in less than 1 minute now nothing say deposit and also see cannot yet come the amount on our chrono. So one expert and I may come for amount. Unya and fear do a chair unto me found Hunyum. Who can so now or they are drink a crowd at home. Samson at Tontina 74 T74 Ekraimu. Edro ye meal booster make come for the amount. I don't pay Mabu Bobby. Anything I meet him or make call Eba. If you have be a sort of part of Bobby and Sana, why in a Juma? It's a Busiam home by a chain. Obako and Juma so up. Now, why Jane or your Jumani Edia and 1 T74. From a pharmacy, Bia on Sabeka. Who are now to me Tontina also per T74. A meal booster no. Na ohumi kura meche obi ohumi ameche T74 ni bi sansa no na yake menom Vena water ensuo papa e kan fama obenu munsuo na wode aba obenu munsuo na odwumadi akonkan de amawa ansensuo de ontumi nyimfi wabrabom abrabona abon ensuo pa ontumi nyimfirim Sisa open so anom Nani ama konkan edi ama odi a Enwa ene Verna water Repembe bani abedi hu nkomo Omo de kura imu anopedi Global Sports Weekend Edition eba Second confirmative ni executive producer Mr. Kweku Boateng Samson Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman Ziggy Donzi Gideon into the boy Nano Damia K Brown and I think so here DJ Weather you know bomb chidom senior on duty wa the property the writer commentator song can the Kelvin on Ponsedi call me AK the boss player so that way you be urem na fin so no yakwa man ni aba baransa na man ne nsembe ba no yintwa ye ho emra
OneXBet jackpots na landio alande na watch bia na chedio yenya ni so betwa wo bet for sports game bia so na obetumi dinkuni register with onexbet.com.gh na use promo code jackpotghana na twa bet OneXBet ye nkunim die ho safo OneXBet who say nkunimdifo gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wa hwe ye nyema wa wundi mfie duo Gaming Commissioner Jinka to we atum
Tontonte yenum nsane e fadwen ne e fadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananom dodo so say de na dodo bua ama nananom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no e mo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom
Chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado.
That's all right. Into the young woman, nothing. So the young corner, Nanopa, Yanson, young farmer, and in common, I'm fan to jar, and son and farmer make us remove Facebook. That's our common radio 97.1 and so no. What's me joining live and so now, Hona Jumadian when you be at Urama now I like you page, Now, Monsono Kaya Hona Fenson, comment, or the two of your nothings. What's say? That's a month from Sonom and you be, and so no Etimacha. Bibia, come on YouTube and so no Ramu or Command Radio 97.1 on YouTube. Subscribe is out so do I don't want me also take brain. That's Musuraka ho. Now Finson come out draw Jumedia would do it our Hanamon Surum what's me actually and so no our Hanaman and then come on Minso and pay Minso Minu to Uramono. That's one expert in it Tontina 74 Verna Water at the year corner Pemabu Bobby Mami Uramu. Now Finson and Farmer and then come on and Tuja and so then Fama Jumedi and so Mamin Chassier and Fen Free the French League and so mu and no other match back to me to Nantes 1 Marseille 1 Abrante Frenum Ismail Sa on a poco and so to Marcel Poboko and matches and also to and so now the French League and so mu and so near saying the best nako and so now France 2 matches na etoja Miami team start Brest 3 p.m. and so Rene and so ball and so Monaco 7 p.m. and Lens and so ball and so now the French League and matches and so to also France at 6 matches na etoja and up 11 a.m. no Toulouse and so the Clermont Foot Lever and so 1 p.m. and so Lorraine airport Lille Metropole and so no any Montpellier about 1 p.m. Met and Reims about 1 p.m. Nyambo chana OGC Nice about Fiat chana Atunsa at a fresh Strasbourg no so the appoint no about some free 5 that's free 5 minutes past 3 Nyambo chana not a side game no and so na basuna big game na tocha Nyambo chana uko piemu and so now packed Olympic Lyonnais dia next Olympic Lyon team no and so better feel no so ne Paris Saint-Germain and so to me the appoint and also na tocha Nyambo chana 6:45 na PSG catch no players are to me Mobi any Abrante friend Prasna Kimpembe on Mobi Abrante Colomwani on to me Mobi Lincoln in on to me Mbo Abrante Nuno Mendes and so no to me Mbo Abrante Mukwale Ombo Goncalo Ramos entumi mbana Sergio Rico enso entumi mom weni player echinamu tumi nyinamu nsiaka enfama PSG Poboko no Lyon akachano Alexander Lacazette red card nyambwa echino tumi mo Samson Dejan Lovren ono so entumi Mbobi weni matches abekoso nyambwa echina na the French League anima yedi atuja enso na di ama etie for mayewuramu na feso ya ntwa league te bono out France Olympic Marseille edinkan and no boy into about 4 matches equal 8 points. Monaco toss me and about 3 equal 7. Reims toss me and also about 3 matches equal 6. Brest at us 9 equal 6 points. Samson Strasbourg Numa and also equal 6 points. And got and so now the French animal Senate 16 position and land about 3 matches 1 point. Lyon also toss 17 about 3 matches equal 1 point and Clermont Foot at also 18 and also about 3 matches only point be a goal king chat France no Wissan Banyeda Monaco Watimasha 4 goals Samson Mustafa Mohamed the Egyptian international Anzo Nantes was 4 goals Abrante Minamino Monaco was 3 goals and Afonso Del Castelao and so now Bresta and also that mean that's 3 goals and so now yen free France and go PMO and so now our Germany the German Bundesliga no and no other match and so no etimi so our Germany say we no Borussia Dortmund at your Signal Iduna Park and so no to me any Bobo friend Hayden and so the bunny after 90 minutes Dortmund 2 Aiden 2 Nelson Rankrata Samankoye and Faman Crawford Kra our year Dortmund game no match say toja and so now Germany na yensia Augsburg 130 and the ball come about buying for Leverkusen no Bay Arena no and so so any a Darmstadt Eberpo, Hoffenheim, and Sonny Wolfsburg, Ebo 130, Stuttgart, and Sonny Freiburg, Nina Ebaso 130, Werder Bremen, and Sonny Mainz 130 na Finsunum 430 no, Uko Piemo, Borussia Park, dia Empire Nese Beja, Borussia Mönchengladbach, and Finsuno, Bayern Munich, and Sonny Babania, San Comunina, and Yefede, Akoya to Jam, and Sonny Mighty for China, 2 matches to Germany, entering Frankfurt 130, and FC Cologne Ebo Union Berlin, and RB Leipzig, Ebom Yamwachina 330, and also Anisano, Senesifatia, Yaria Mighty for League Table, our Germany Senate here, Union Berlin after 2 matches, Ekra 6 maximum points, Bayern Tosmino, and also Ekra 6 points, Bayern for Leverkusen, Miansa, Ekra 6 points, Wolfsburg and 9, Ekra 6, Enumene Freiburg, and also Ekra 6, that's from 1st to 5th, Ubi Ekra 6 points, and so now Dortmund in Sia, Ekra 5 for about 3 matches, Yedisan Commander, League Table, and I was saying, if I 16th position, Cologne, about 2 matches, only point to be at Darmstadt, and so about 17. Any point to be, and that's all. That's 17. What about 2 matches? Only point. Werder Bremen 18th position. And also about 2 matches. And also any point to be. The German Bundesliga. And we have to go King Chatano. Senate here, Brandt here, friend Kevin Benres. And also our Union Berlin was 4 goals. Brandt Kennedy. And so Jonas Wind. And so Wolfsburg was 4 goals. Harry Kane. Bayern was 3 goals. And so Warma. Yadisan Command. But I mean free Germany. I mean got 1 command. So mfama dia mame wura mo Italy Italian Serie A memfa matches abekoso nyamboa enana entuja enso na mfama barenu ada 1 game and I said 2 matches etoja e Serie A ni mo say na tia Sassuolo 3 Hellas Verona enso no 1 nese Abrantia Freno Pinamonti ebogo na afenso no Berardi enso bo 2 goals e ka no Sassuolo na kopiemo e Stadio di Olimpico dia nese when AS Roma and so at Fieni AC Milan Eddie Bonnier big game and another and so no etimi atoja and so now on my Yadisan Comunina and so Eddie Emma Fontina say Pesawe no Famamina Bibi and Sonanya Kamana Roma game no after 90 minutes and I say AS Roma 1 AC Milan 2 AS Roma 1 AC Milan 2, Abrantia Freno, Olivier Giroud, Epoko, and our friends on Rafael Leao, Edebako, Episode AC Milan team, Abrantia Freno, Spinazzola, and so no Etimate Kanuba, Conanso, and Romelu Lukaku, 70th minutes, Ebemum, Bobi, Edema, Roma, Timna, Yadisan, Comano, and so no, Etimi, Edia, Bana, Manchester, Etocha, our Syrian, Nanswini, Manchester, no Sene Bessifa, 4 matches in Etoja, 4:30 no Bologna, Cagliari, Ebepo, Udinese, and Sonny Frosinone, Basso 4:30, Atlanta, Betrefi, our Jimmy Stadium, now no Sonny Monza, Edia point is 6:45, and a side game, a big game, and Etoja, Uko Piemo, our Stadio Diego Armando Maradona, our stadium, our Napoli, there, there's Bueno and Napoli, and I feel so Lazio. And at the Babani, I know about 6:45. Yari San Comano, and Swadia Tuja, and Swadia Mount matches on Makuma 9 Betoja, Inter, and then Uko Piemo Adia, Giuseppe Miezadia, Inter Fiorentina, Bebo 4:30, Torino Genoa Airport, Samsona Empoli Juve, and 6:45 at China Lecce, and it's Salernitana, and so about 6:45 at China, and also in command Senesifa no Serie Animo, League Table no Senesifa after 3 matches, and I say AC Milan about 3 matches, Okra 9 points, Samson and Napoli about 2, Ekra 6, Inter about 2, Atosmiansa Ekra 6 na Fenso no, Pobo Quantity, and so at Verona about 2 matches, and also Atoso and 9, Verona about 3 matches, Atoso and 9, and also Ekra 6 points, Fiorentina Num about 2, Ekra 4 points na Juve, and Tia about 2, and also Ekra 4 points, I say I want to say that 18th position or Roma, about 3 matches, Ekra 1 point, Jose Mourinho, Nyaman Charanko Yesad Lazio, and also number 2, any point to be and our friends Empoli, or also 20th position, about 2 matches, and also any points, top scorer chat, Olivier Giroud, AC Milan, was 4 goals, Lautaro Martinez, Inter, was 3 goals, Victor Osimhen, Napoli, and also 3 goals, and our friends Alex Candreva, and also Salernitana, and also Etimi Ashe 2 goals, and to now, Mamin free Italy, Minko Piemo, our Spanish. Premier, La Liga Santander. Na memfa nkɔmɔ no nyinaa ɛmfa ntodwa nso na mfa mantia ɛno ada games no mmienu atodwa Cadiz ɛtena fie ɛkye Villarreal the Yellow Submarines ɛbɔn by 3-1 Sansona Almeria 2 Celta Vigo 3 Abrantia friend Joseph Edu ɛtumi ɛbɔn 90 minutes ɛtumi ɛdema Celta Vigo dim no a yɛde san nkɔmɔ no ɛnso ɛba ɛna matches ɛbɛtodwa ɛnso na La Liga no ɛmu no ɛnso ɛnie matches no ɛnkyɛra nyɛ fɛdɛ 4 matches ɛna ɛtodwa 12 p.m. awia kyerɛfoɔ so na ɛsɛ Real Sociedad ɛne Granada ɛbɔ 2:15 awia ɛyɛ Real Madrid ana afei nso no Getafe ɛbɛbɔ nti Papa Django utim Real Madrid no ɛna awia 2:15 no mu ne Getafe nso no ɛbɔ Alaves 4:30 ɛne Valencia bɛbɔ Real Betis 7 p.m. ɛnso ne Real Mallorca ɛnso bɛtumi ɛde abɔ ɛne nyambɔ ɛkyena games no ɛnso no ɛtoa so 4 matches na ɛkyena bɛtodwa Girona 12 p.m. no ɛnso ne Las Palmas ɛbɛbɔ Real Mallorca 2:15 ɛne Athletic Club Bilbao ɛbɛbɔ 4:30 no Atletico de Madrid and Seville team no and a bon afternoon so 7 p.m. no and so Sasuna and Barca and so no etimi Eddie Abonia San Comano and also na nyefida go league table Spain no Sena and also Sifati Real Madrid after 3 matches no ekura 9 points Atletico Madrid atosumi no also ekura 7 points after 3 matches Girona atosumi and Sam ekura 7 points Barca and 9 about 3 matches ekura 7 Cadiz enum about 4 matches ekura 7 na fin so no insia ayo Bilbao ono so na about 3 matches okura 6 points asia was saying that here Real Mallorca 18th position ekura 1 point on about 3 matches Almeria about 4 matches ekura 1 point Sevilla eto to 20th position on our way about 3 matches ono so no any point to be a top scorer chart no June Bellingham Real Madrid was 4 goals ekura 1 assist Alvaro Morata Atletico Madrid was 3 goals Samson Abrantan Din Enson Ribas Almeria was 2 goals Memphis Kwamina Depay ono so to match 2 goals na fence no Kevin Garcia Alaves was 2 goals Enson Awo by free Spain na yemepemo arguably the best league in Europe and also in the world the English Premier League no more and rather one game to draw Luton Town etna and so West Ham Ediboni after 90 minutes no Luton Town 1 West Ham United 2 Abrantia Nidin and so Gerard Bowen abo go na fin so no Ket Zuma and so the back piece in rather Ket Zuma etime bogo and so na watch and so Kudus Mohamed every bench about just 4 minutes and so no game no more San Common so no yadi tuja adi amatie for na matches toja and so no England no any 11:30 anopaya Sheffield United and Everton about game way minimum be call munhwe careful papa ogwahwe odds na say one is better down wa my odds no kosoro na say Sheffield United ekura 3 odds 3 series odds na afin so no about ne kura 2 series odds nti no one is bet nyame nhyira mo papa yenim be be konti 11:30 no twa no watwa ne Sheffield United na afin so no Everton about 2 p.m. no Brentford and Bournemouth Airport Burnley and so 2 p.m. Everton for Turf Moor no ono so and Tottenham etimi dia boy no ko p.m. Stamford Bridge there na 2 p.m. wi akire for so and Chelsea the Blues team na players na ba squad na transfer window ne close into Obia players or one of the babo Chelsea and then Nottingham Forest na babo and a bit the papa we feel like milk and honey and Chelsea was Stamford Bridge and so 2 p.m. no channel so on in Nottingham Forest babo 2 p.m. corner Man City and after so Fulham and the boss Etihad Brighton better fie and so no 4:30 not on Sam made a friend Newcastle no their boy and so ekoso Amex Stadium yare San Common Epa nyambo echena matches na to so the English Premiership no free matches na betodwa Crystal Palace and so etena fie Shells Park 1 p.m. echena no the Wolves etumi their boy and uko p.m. Anfield 1 p.m. nyambo echena Liverpool and afenson Aston Villa and the boy last year by this time 7-2 na so enti and also Liverpool make time was the last year that is 7-2 and so Arsenal at 3:30 Arsenal and Manchester United Emirates papa and Tiano Sociano Society 3:30 Arsenal and Man U ababo Young League table no send a sifa etie after games in the West Ham in kind wabɔ 4 matches equal 10 points. Man City Etosmienu about 3 matches equal 9 points. In Miansano Tottenham about 3 matches equal 7. Liverpool 9 after 3 matches equal 7. Enum Arsenal and also about 3 matches equal 7 points. In Sia Brighton equal 6 points. Aston Villa and so about 3 matches equal 6. Manchester United and Wache about 3 matches equal 6. Brentford and Chrome and also about 3 matches equal 5. Edu 10th position no as usual. Yenu Chelsea at also do about 3 matches equal 4 points. 11th position, Crystal Palace after 3 matches equal 4. 12 no Fulham and also about 3 matches equal 4. Newcastle also after players to Tony did this and also about 3 matches equal 3 points. Also 13. Nottingham Forest 14th position equal 3. Wolves 15th position equal 3 points. Bournemouth 16th position equal 1 point. Sheffield United 17th position only point to be a Burnley about 2 matches at also 18th position and also any point. 19th position Everton about 3 matches only points and Luton Town and also about 3 matches only point to be a and so league table no senate here. Gerard Bowen our West Ham was set 3 goals. Abranta Woni our Nottingham Forest was set 3. Haaland Man City was set 3. Abranta Nidi and so the solid match. Brighton was set 3. Imwemu Brentford as a 3. And also until player dia no fans Man United Chelsea 4. But players in the own years some better goals here. Sterling or Chelsea was 2. And also no Man U for there. Goes sa and also no it's me at the nemu. Yomunamu I want some food from now. And I said, now mo. When said the UEFA Champions League, and so no, it's me at the echo. So, and so no, our intero, and also Shannon. So, Mami Uramu, now face to me for Champions League in common, and fan to drop, and for man said, draw no, UEFA Champions League draw no, and so to me echo. So, saying as draw no, if I Group A no, Bayern Munich team, Manchester United, Copenhagen, and Alfonso, Galatasaray, I know A Group A, Bayern Munich. Manchester United, Copenhagen, and Galatasaray. Group B, and so in Seville, Arsenal, PSV Eindhoven, Lens. Group B, Seville, Arsenal, PSV Eindhoven, and Lens. Group C, Napoli, Etem, Samsung, Real Madrid, Braga, Union Berlin. Group C, Napoli, Real Madrid, Braga, Union Berlin. Group D, Benfica, Inter Milan, RB Salzburg, Real Sociedad. Group D, Benfica, Inter Milan, Salzburg, and Real Sociedad. Group E, Feyenoord, Atletico Madrid, Lazio, Celtic. Group E, Feyenoord, Atletico de Madrid, Lazio, and Afonso Celtic. Group F, Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, Borussia Dortmund, AC Milan, and Newcastle. Group F, Paris Saint-Germain, Borussia Dortmund, AC Milan, and Afonso Newcastle United. Group G, Man City, Leipzig, Red Star Belgrade, and Afonso Young Boys. Group G, Man City, Leipzig, Red Star Belgrade, and Afonso Young Boys. Group H, FC Barcelona, FC Porto, Shakhtar Donetsk, and Afonso Royal Antwerp. Group H, FC Barcelona, FC Porto, Shakhtar Donetsk, and Afonso Royal Antwerp. When UEFA Champions League draw, now watch him and also no etimi echo so now but support the na would draw to join watch him our UEFA catch UEFA Men's Coach of the Year and also etimi echo Edma Jose Pep Guardiola ono etisa basketball etimi the scene 9 so Samsung UEFA Coach of the Year and mano and so etimi call Edma Serena Workman and also no etimi etisa basketball and so now also UEFA Women's Coach of the Year, UEFA Women's Player of the Year no and also etimi echo Edma Baba Wadi Ding Ensone Aitana Bonmati of Barcelona. Aitana Bonmati ono ene wini UEFA Women's Player of the Year, UEFA Men's Player of the Year no enso etime call Edma Abrantia Freno Ellen Brun Haaland ono and ono so etime UEFA Men's Player of the Year. Nti ano so ne nkomo no se ne esifa enso no etie ewo yenwura mu enso no transfer stories no na yemfa nkɔmɔ no emfa ntudwa enso no emfa ma dia na se wapusi dia manda da na yenwura mu eno ada na se transfer so enso no etime kɔ so yentwe clubs no players eno ada omuso etumi wura mu ene transfer window yi omuso etumi wura mu clubs no mu maame nhyase enso no emfemfiri Arsenal kache eno ada anase transfers yi omuto make 4 signings ana Arsenal etimi 4 signings ana Arsenal etimi Kai Havertz from Chelsea ebaye Sansona Julian Timber from Ajax ebaye ana fe Declan Rice a Brantford friend David Raya also goalkeeper Brentford abase loan it's Arsenal 4 signings ana omuto on the transfer day na say transfer nimo Kai Havertz Julian Timber Declan Rice, David Raya, where Arsenal players, Aston Villa, and so players are to sign here out transfer anymore any Yuri Tielemans from Leicester City, Waba, Paul Torres, Villarreal, Waba, Abrante Musa Diaby, Leverkusen, Waba, Rico Richards, also about free, Nicolo Zaniolo, Galatasaray, Waba, Anna Clement Linglet, also Barca, and so Bantin Aston Villa. Yuri Tielemans, Paul Torres, Musa Diaby, Rico Richards, Nicolo Zaniolo, Clement Lenglet. And also with PMO Aston Villa. Yanko AFC Bournemouth. And also no Etima Banti Pushimano na yanko yanim. Na se AFC Bournemouth and so no Ahmed Touari, Officer Sola ba Roman Ferrari, wapa Milos Aye Kakes. And also Etima ba Adrian Radu, Alex Court, Max Aarons, Justin Kluivert, Taylor Adams, Luis Sinistera, and also Etimi Abba from loan from at least Tim Nomo. Into Bournemouth, Ahmed Touari, Roman Aye Fiver, Samsona Milos Kekek, Adrian Aye Radu, Alex Scott, Max Aarons, Justin Kluivert, Taylor Adams, Luis Sinistera. Omunyana Etimi about Brentford, say that here, Mark Flecken, Ethan Bradley, Kevin Shade, Romeo Beckham, Ji Sung Kim, Nathan Collins, Aaron Zabelli, Ethan Light Law, Saman Hodos, Riley Owen, Benjamin Frederick, Isley Hay, Neil Morphy from Everton, and also Balloon, Brentford, and no transfer deadline, and Neil Morphy, and so Burem from Everton, Mumu Mote, so most animals champion striker Cologne. And also, I don't know. You know more Brighton and Hove Albion. Brighton and so transfers to me make and any Mahmoud Aye Daoud Dortmund Wapa, Joao Pedro Watford, James Milner Liverpool Wapa, Bart Wegenha and also Wapa, Joe Atom, Igo Julio from Fiorentina Wapa, Jacob Slater, Carlos Belepa. Ana finzono Ansum Fati. Enti Ansu Fati wa free passer eko Brighton loan. Enti another ana Brighton uremu ewo Brighton enti Ansu Fati oko Brighton. Burnley transfers in NE Jordan Bayer, Dara O'Shea, Lawrence Vigorous, Zeki Aye Anthony Waba, James Trafford, Nathan Redmond. Hey, what do you say? I'm for Abba. Luca Colosho, Jacob Brandt Larsen, Sander Berge, Hannes Delcross, Aaron Ramsey. And also if we Aston Villa, Aaron Ramsey, yes. And yet, you former Arsenal player, no, Aaron Ramsey, Akora also Akra. Samsonam Wilson Odobet, Han Noah Masingo, Anonso Timaba, Anna Mike Tresor, Belly and top up a beer, Anonso, I don't know. Chelsea, hey, Chelsea, they are full register, class moi. And it's I can say, Kenagate, you know, almost tell me. Chelsea, any Christopher Nkuku, Waba, Henry Pies, Dujuan Richards, Kotofi BF America Academy Munyaba, Nicholas Jackson, Alex Mato, Diago Moriera, Abrante Freno, Samuel Smith, Angelo Gabriel from Santos. Leslie Ugochukwu Rene Waba Nigeria for the team. Alex Disasi, Robert Sanchez, Moise Caicedo, £115 million from Brighton. Romeo Lavia, Southampton. Oli Harrison, Newcastle. David Washington, Santos. Washington, the Mombo. Abrantia Petrovic, Onunso Aba. Cole Palmer, Man City Aquarano. Onunso Abanti Chelsea. Ba kumienu miansa na enum ensia. Enso awotwe enkro edu duba kudumienu dumiensa. Duna dunum dunsia. Dunkro 17 players. Ana Chelsea ato 17. Ana Chelsea atumitoye. Crystal Palace and so players abani Jefferson Lerma, Chris Francis, Matthias Franca, Justin Devaney, Dean Henderson, Rob Holding, and Muso Nyetumaba. Intinom Crystal Palace Eddie no Everton, Ashley Young, Arnold Danjuma, Yusuf Shamiti, Jack Harrison, Beto, Amonsoro Etimiaba, Fulham, Rahul Jimenez, Calvin Bassi from Ajax, Adama Traore, Chris Donnell, Timothy Castagna, Stephen Bender, Alex Iwobi. I don't know if you have Everton. I know that Alex Iwobi if you Everton. About Fulham. We won't say Everton for a few quite on go into about Fode Ballo-Toure from AC Milan. I don't know about Fulham. Say loan. Liverpool. Eto and 9. Alex McAllister from Brighton. Dominic Joboslai from Leipzig. Wataru Endo. Onusu Stuttgart Waba. And I feel Ryan Gravenberg. And no doubt Onusu Uremu from Bayern. Onusu Etimiaba. Luton Town. Usumo. Albert Simba Lunkonga. Arsenal Korano. And no Uremu. Last minute loan. Tendi Mengi from Man United. Tim Crew. And can also kind of Newcastle goalkeeper no. Jacob Brown. Ross Barkley. Chelsea former player no. Thomas Kaminsky, Ryan Gills, Ryan Gills, Issa Kabori, Marvelous Nakamba, a few Everton about Luton Town, Tay Chong, Manu, Makoda Kopium of Birmingham City, and you are about Luton Town, Matt Addison, Anna Finsuno, Abrantia Freno, Ugbone from Rotterdam, Aba, Man City. Transfers Roman Tobebriu, strategic. Mateo Kovacic, Josko Valdio, Jeremy Doku, Anna Finsuno, Matthias Nunes. Man City 4 pe. Kwabanana Koswa 17. Amongwaye. And the Man City, Mateo Kovacic, Josko Valdio, Jeremy Doku, Matthias Nunes. Sansuna Man United, Mason Mount, Andre Onana, Rasmus Hyla, Stanson Johnny Evans. Yes, and that Johnny Evans and come on, my baby, everything at the amount. Waba Arte Aye Banyede, Onusaba goalkeeper, Sergio Reguilon, Sofian Amrabat. Also, Omatimi Abba Man United, Manu, Mama Ninja Amrabat, Abba Reguilon, and so Etimaba Newcastle United, and so Yankuba Minta. Hey, they're going to new, because the Minta Bino. Hey, Yankuba Minta, Waba, Sandro Tonelli, Javi Bant, Tino Livramento, Sansona Lewis Hall, Catal Hefferman, and I feel Travis Hennis. Almost talking about Newcastle. Now, Nottingham Forest and so at Taha, Nottingham, I'm in Chelsea, Nottingham transfers are Ometima so far. Any Chris Wood from Newcastle, Waba, Ola Aina, former Chelsea player, Waba, Anthony Langa. Manu, Waba, Matt Turner, Will Brook, Harry Griffiths, Gonzalo Montiel. What kind of World Cup final, some penalty, final, no boy in Argentina, J. Waba, not in a Falco first players in Yaman G Liga, you know, Mobika. Andre Santos, Chelsea, Waba loan. Nuno Tavares, Arsenal loan. Nicolas Dominguez, Bologna, Waba. Callum Hudson-Odoi. Chelsea will play no Waba loan. Divock Origi from AC Milan Waba. Abrantia friend Ibrahim Sangari, Ivorian International, the kind of Papa Afcon Diagrosa from PSV. Waba Andre, hey, Obomandi, there's a Norwich for now for players. Now, don't want to cry loan for there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loan. No more conform about. Sheffield United, Yebu Boston and Queen, Anis, Slimani, Waba, Sansuna, Yasin Lorisi, Waba, Benny Traori, Austin Trusty, Vinicius Souza. Hey, Kotoko player, Nana. Kotoko fast striker, Carlos Vinicius, Souza. Onwana. Gustavo, Hame, Sansuna, Tom Davis, Cameron Archer, Luke Thomas, James, Marty, there's Chelsea, Man City. Akola no onu so tumi ewuramu Tottenham Hotspur enie Dejan Gluvskowski onu so tumi abanes onu from Juve no man permanent last year Gluvskowski ebo loan enie man permanent Abrantian Dim Eric Vicaro goalkeeper about James Madison Mano Solomon Mickey Van de Ven Alejandro Velis Sansona Ashley Phillips ana Finsono Brennan Johnson Tottenham achada and top players papa biasa enti yanku yanim Yenko Piemo Ewa Neno West Ham United West Ham DNA Shane Moore Waba Edison Alvarez from Ayas James Ward-Prowse Sansuna Abrantia Didi Ade Konstantinos Maroponus hey Mohamed Kudus and so to West Ham Wolves Tom Kane Matt Doherty was returning from Atletico Madrid to the club Sansuna Leo Lopez Enzo Gonzalez Santiago Bueno, Tommy Doy, Anna Finsono, Gian Rene Bergadi, Amonsoro Etimi Abanti Weni, players are Dam any transfer see English clubs and so Etimi Etotoye na Inter out no and so Remo Man City players on my free mono and just on my fit team no so my free mo say you know on my fit team no and so no any Kopama Oko Chelsea, Ike Gundogan, Team Papa Barca, Samsona, Ryan Mahrez, Saudi Arabia, Oko, Aye Al Ali, Emerick Laporta, also Saudi Arabia, Al Nasser, Oko, Anti, and also, Enono, na Brighton Forno, and so no, players no to me, I am no permanent, and as a players about Brighton, and Dan Warbeck, you know, my permanent, Samsona, Solimat, Ivan Ferguson, Karu Mitoma, Ansu Fati. Hey, yes, Julio Enciso. I say we know. Asabra bono bono Enciso. I say we say all Brighton. Enciso, Elstra, João Pedro, Pascal Gross, Simon Adingra, enti amonsono any attackers any Brighton for the year Jumafi. Into no Brighton in Sia. Tina Shannon so. On the Brighton in Yamboya, Mayu, Muncha Brighton yet, but then we are for Mudi. Chelsea so no more. Mumedi, because attackers see Danny Warbeck, Solimat, Ivan Ferguson, Mitoma, and then one who see Bibia. And so, also say last year Chelsea, sir. João Pedro, Bobo, Pascal Gross, and I didn't get also the and a Barcelona product Ansu Fati Asaba County a month for war English Premiership no but I'm Commodore Dawson and but did you want that far abra and a branch friend João Felix maybe what Barca and Rada now unveil no cost no Fatos mama na Facebook for no and ya na muting that sound that's and ya muting and tifa video no to so da abra João Felix free Atletico Madrid and Rada Viam sa but they are not joa branch a pan on to ma Barca training grounds na and Barca president Joan Laporta and he think come on now branch and 30 yin konya yi skills ya they announce Madrid munyina ye pa na ebe te La Liga num nti João Felix and that screen so also trying kama born in 30s no you born after the tisuru that to na say skills na no nya born na Chelsea for 2020 amfa gas samsa anu say no nti João Felix ade no enso no na fa Cancelo de na bra fa Cancelo de no so to so Abra na president assign Cancelo bana omopa João Cancelo awuntoma ade akere nsentwerofo no ano so fato so na yenku anim ti Cancelo anso ade no na se we abra Cancelo yade ne chance nsentwerofo don no da branch na ni age so oba Barca next season ya be permanent me zuro we alone on the wo fam ya nti no yeniska you better why nti Cancelo anso ade no nti Felix João Felix from Atletico Madrid waba João Cancelo anso from Man City right back or bed to Trebasa set up no goalkeeper tested them Cancelo right back na unya branch ni din anso no ade Julius Kounde and afin so no aye Arejo 4 and 5 Balde left back see chero na see ya chew dia adwuma na see we go 4-5 the Papa Django Barca lineup probable lineup ni Ter Stegen Cancelo Julius Kounde Ronald Arejo Balde Milford no and so no your Ike Gundogan Pedri Gonzalez and afin so Abrante ni din and so Frankie de Jong up front no and so no na Lewandowski ejina ni mo na yade aye ene no Abrante din and so ade João Felix akọ the left side then ade Gavi ana Rafinha kura toa asamasi bench no so de buburu ja enti anonso ane aye Abrante João Felix ana afin so João Cancelo and so no enkomo ende and so anono yemfensi yemfensi na abrano ko na yembeto aso and so no ewa ha enti no amana common ye basic kan ketsi one expert adawma eso yemu ana ye amana common no and so ebaye mi entwa ye umra eba be din common e ofie
tontonte yennom nsane e faadwen ne e faadwen mpa say na nim se brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nananom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokro kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 amenya hoodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoodin ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a mfie dumienu eto phone free 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratoi atom
Ebusia, upese ukra ni free brochure ede bagana na. Eni efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena upese wo tono amanone. Emfa ho ba bie free bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de bagana be bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo eni wiemuhye mu ntino. Eba ne ntem dia, woni how kra. Ye door to door delivery ni nso de. Na watwi bia ye kra ni free UK eni Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande yambo nso de boko sawo eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wa kwantre na ebia na wo de wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tententem de ayade 3 to 4 days ne ye de brel hihye ANS fo akira kwan ne wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no e wo +491 737 712 733 Ghana 0249 170 423 na UK so +44 790 80 27 527 ANS Trading Agency Limited yedemu fua
Usika seme nkoyi ana quick credit siasia se sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yambosia bonhye ye ho wutumi babosia edifi aso ye fi 1500 Ghana cedis edeko na nia wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia se wo betu susu wo hia awowa ye ngiseke bia nto ho wo nsanso hia se wo ne yembebue futuo bia quick credit wo homao say ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma foforo ase ana say ye school fees Anampo eyeye. Bosumi edwumayefo nso ye wo bi mamo. Na mom kai say ye mmobosua ewo internet so. Afen so omanti kakro bia batan. Bank of Ghana nsa wo dwumedie yi mu. Enti tutumri kana freying was 0302 200 390 and 0596 920 833. Quick credits, lending made simple. Kai said dwumedie yi nhyehyɛ kakra wo ho.
All right, Intino Yansamo Akwaba from Dokuma 97.1 weekend edition of the Global Sports, and I atna say den komo ahru nyina enso eba ewa ha joining live on Facebook Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook now for comments and for two now share sharing is caring to share na say BBI come on YouTube and so no Okuman Radio 97.1 and so obetime wurem na wa monitor show no and so no at me at a few ready aba obesa dia adwunche bi aba on WhatsApp and also text messages you know 0551 667755 0551 667755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and our things so no with text messages and our things so no WhatsApp messages you know and so no at their file and so no at me at their bar on Facebook we see to I see or say more fire and call from Mamo Sansona be afraid or say global sports more fire messages no be peme bana mabekin kan ni nyina awa bara mamen kwa ma no so na men koyi nkomo we emfen free o Henry Kofi Asare Jr. Ken Vibro ono sports journalist kuma ya Breni Adon nyina ono so no ye ne no edi nkomo edefa ye games no anase agu kensie mu and so huna Henry wa no so enu ada anana ye the transfer deadline Europe Chelsea Barca Man City, Liverpool, Manchester United, Arsenal, emu nyina atumi make signing in a transfer. Then akwa deadline no na hu benya say obi say opra prechiri kura. Na Henry wo ho na yenkodi nkomo emfamfa transfers so this season ewo Europe no eho. Kofi anopa mame wakwa aba emfamra okoma 97.1.
Nana mejo so na me ho ye ngidi say o so bibia boko.
Bibia kama pa na my own way general view on the transfer so our Europe
yo nana mame na mame first atanya we so French ya come 97.1 etf na wama omuti omo hwe nyina the bomb basso I found a massive year fire. Now, Tony had the two journal one say, Andra and I to me a close to the transfer window several euros. And I believe much of the update now to me up or so. Nana, I believe this particular season, our the transfer window means what spending Sahodwa to me so amazing and a breaking the record in the transfer history in terms of football. Basically, Osha now Yetmienya almost about 5.7 billion pounds this particular season in the transfer market, you know. Yetmi Ediato players, Ediaco the various clubs, you know. And Osha all the complete deals are Yetmi echoed through in there Yetmi Enya this huge amount that they assign players across various clubs now. I believe the total complete bills are between equal to 1,463 complete bills are the total value of amount that they equal into the transfer market minimum somewhere around 5.7 billion pounds and so and Nana Osha as he senior transfer me equal so now share Abrantia Yeton Sita first year Moses I said removed from Brighton to Chelsea also this particular transfer window now or no and I'm say or player the piece is a year at the no with a tune of 115 million pounds from Brighton to Chelsea. I believe the Abrantia Mama Kumidena can say undeserved looking at the kind of quality is non value that amount now. Now, amount for raising a whole lot of questions about the transfer, and we should admit that now, no, the state of the transfer, the DIA baby, no, and we have some figures here. The DIA players are bad. I mean, when you look at their quality, what is to show the previous players, no, now to say a little man, definitely that will come into our own mind. And Ocean Advantage this and right, they move from West Ham United to Arsenal. I think it's also in a year the second most expensive player in terms of the 2023-2024 transfer market. With me closing just yesterday, and also I think 105 million pounds from West Ham to Arsenal. And we have a couple of players. Harry Kane, he moves from Tottenham Hotspur to Bayern Munich. I think also to pay only 100 million pounds. And I'm a fan of the advantage with Bellingham, AFC, Borussia Dortmund, Adrian, Real Madrid. I think 88.5 million pounds. And I get the FR no. And I saw before no, and so everywhere. And it's I mean, the three top expensive transfer with me in year. It was summer way more. That is a new euro. And also, Sanya, a choir now. One would say the English class no, and actually ask anymore. Now, Nema, and so ACPSG, Airco Al Hilal, that was Saudi Arabia, no, 86.3 million. Put me say, and I'm also transfer now, it is so sad. Now, Obana Ubetimu, and so I was the English Premier League now. So now, not me air canon. When say a whole lot of transfers now would be now again to me for so our honor and Osha so far so good. I believe England almost me a day papa and so our and Osha club to me spending more. Our England no Chelsea and Osha Chelsea or no a kind of far so now of players no a buyer now Osha the amount Chelsea every year. This particular transfer window, four players, a buyer now. Nana, I never can say last season, the club back one, or to me, spend huge, four players, band team, not a Chelsea, 1 more 18. No. And this season, now, man for air, said, and can sign a wedding, a back corner, because all spending at Chelsea, last season. Now, almost to me, somewhere around 378.5 million pounds. Total players, far players are who do with now, a buyer into the team. No, now come on, just say they make it impact. But yes, the following season, not Chelsea, this particular one, where to me are spending almost about 428 million pounds. At the Arsenal Quack players. And so Eddie Ababi Rem, Ewo team, and Sena Medi Candy Dano, Osha Branche Moses Saicedo, Osha Romeo Lavia, Osha Christopher Nkunku, Cole Palmer, Abba, Asa De Farsi, Asa BPM, Nicola Jackson, Robert Sanchez Mo, Anna Leslie Ogotukumo, Eva BPM, Ewo Chelsea, Mutim, Angelo Gabriel, and a whole lot of players, and a Chelsea. Eddie Omaba impact then and on Baby Mickey, Eddie Club, no send bay at least. On make me a move from a stepper, Omunia last season in the league, no much me a room, no much me achieve one more target. And I believe that Yenyan Chelsea, or more performance of league in the league. And I think and suddenly all that convincing. And you see, Chelsea has spent much on the transfer market. But I think in terms of performance, near supporters no really the club no it reach me any so now into me impact because when you look at the league table Chelsea that somewhere around 8th position and also in 3 previous games now I think Chelsea winning draw and then lose I believe a good signal at the match Chelsea looking at the amount of the far players no at the buyer now when you look at Manchester United, adeɛ baako a na yɛhwɛ anim sɛ wɔn ebetumi ayɛ ɛne sɛ ne wɔn betumi apɛ player ɔbɛba abɛboa Casemiro ɛwɔ midfield hɔ no because sɛ wɔbɔ the double pivot na I think sɛ boa United even wɔhyɛ last season position wɔn tumi ɛda yɛ on the leg na wɔn mu sɛ Scott McTominay ɛna afei nso aberanteɛ Fred na Casemiro ɛwɔ ɛbɛka ɛho ɛwɔ hɔ previous na Casemiro mmaayɛ na ɔbɔ McTominay ɛne aberante Fred ɛwɔ hɔ but since the same no problem no ne nyinaa ba bɛgyina Casemiro because ɔmo hyɛ da enya a pivot defensive typical defensive midfielder a obetumi ayɛ den ashield the opponent midfielders na I think ɛno no Casemiro nkwan ntumi nyɛ ɛdwuma no nti no ɛnɛ ɔmo atumi abɔ ɔmo homɔden akɔfa Sofiane Amrabat ɛde naba aba abɛka team ne ho a wɔhwɛ United ɔmo so finance a ɔmo yɛyɛ Rasmus Hojlund ɔmo kɔfa no efi Atlanta ɛbaayɛ Mason Mount ɔmo kɔfa no fi Chelsea ɛbaayɛ Onana ɛnso ɛbɛpie mu from Inter Milan and of course ɔmo atumi anya aberante a ne din de Sergio Reguilon ɔmo nyinaa atumi aba team nim and John Evans mo ɔmo nyinaa aba abɛpie mu ɛde ama Manchester United wɔn team nim ɛnti yɛnhwɛ nim sɛ now in the midfield in the midfield say the team is very solid because Sofiane Amrabat ɛwɔ hɔ na sɛ Casemiro mo ɛwɔ hɔ na sɛ so when you Mason Mount Baba Beka Christian Eriksen Bruno Fernandes mo ho ɛwɔ midfield hɔ nom na I believe a good players are Eric and Hart ebetumi ya ɔmo ayɛ adwuma and also mo defense wɔ hɔ no I believe sɛ wɔn mo ɛwɔ problem but sɛ wɔhwɛ wɔn squad na ɛnyɛ sɛ Tyrann Malaysia ɛne aberante Lucio akɔ akɔsɛ ɛnyɛ wakɔfa Sergio Reguilon from Tottenham and so aba bɛka team I believe sɛ that guy is a very good replacement ɛde ma Lucio ɛne Tyrann Malaysia and so ɛwɔ United ɔmo team and Johnny Evans ɔno nso ɛba as a center back no I believe sɛ going forward no United yɛhwɛ nim sɛ nneɛma bɛtumi ayɛ den akɔ so yie ɛde ama ɔmo and nana wonim sɛ yɛka the transfer nim bi a obi te sɛ Manchester City deɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnim because wohwɛ I mean wanhyɛ dan nyɛ enough
signings bi
yes wanyɛ signings wohwɛ aberante Josko Gvardiol a ɔbɛpie mu Jeremy Doku ɔmo kɔfa no efi Rennes ɛnso ɛde ne baayɛ ɛna ɔmo kɔfa Matheus Nunes ɛnso efi Wolverhampton Wanderers then of course Matthew Kovacic these are the players I think sɛ Guardiola ɛyɛ only 4 signings ɛnso ɛden ɛde baayɛ ɛnyɛ bad because wohwɛ ne defense na Aymeric Laporte ɛkɔ wakɔ akɔfa Josko Gvardiol ɛde naba Jeremy Doku ɛkɔ Riyad Mahrez ɛden efi hɔ ɛkɔ and then Matheus Nunes ɛne Matthew Kovacic ɔmo nyinaa ba wonim sɛ aberante Aiki Gundogan mo ɔmo efi team mu ɔmo yɛ dɛ ɔmo ɛkɔ so I think sɛ ɛyɛ perfect replacement and wohwɛ department bi a olusu player bia no watumi apɛ equally a very good replacement and so ɛde n'aba team mu ɛnyɛ bad we all know Pep Guardiola how a ɔno nso tumi approach the market and so ɛwɔ hɔ and nana Arsenal team no Mikel Arteta and so ayɛ some signings bi ɛwɔ ne team nim a aberante Declan Rice Kai Havertz Julian Timber David Raya ɔmo nyinaa atumi ayɛ den aba bɛpie mu ɛwɔ team nim a ɛnyɛ bad na yɛhwɛ nim sɛ now no Mikel Arteta nneɛma a yɛagye ne nsɛm kakra because now no ɔyɛ position na ɔde Thomas Partey bɔ ɛnsɛ da ɛmfete aberante no because ɔpɛ sɛ ɔncreate space ɛmfama Kai Havertz Emi Okofa no the most expensive player at the Arsenal in this particular summer. Of a sir on fanning them in mood you know. Let's hope and look forward to Mikel Arteta will bounce back now with me as a Howard, a bit me up to the market, not young Howard, and Yaman bit me up on another man. You run was Spain now. Only says Spain no, Ayana yen target near the top 2 teams, and so ever the La Liga name. And of course, Real Madrid and then Barcelona home team no. What's Spain for now. And I want to say, they about a decade, and as some fans said by 10 years ago, no. The all teams are not moving spending huge over the transfer market in the Spanish teams, most especially Real Madrid and Barcelona. But they say, all can one more spending leave, and so the transfer market team. I think La Liga, one more to me about the 50 over. Me and Rebecca said, the left spending club when look at the top flight European league, the 5 leagues. Woman about the year league or would spend less, and so so the idea actually would say now no almost me identify and because of the fact that especially Barcelona no the financial fair play and because nka open team or play Barca to me for far which is Coutinho somewhere around 120 or for far Osman Dembele Antoine Griezmann with a huge amount at the Baba because of the 17 which are Barcelona almost transfer no year in almost about 4.3 million pounds and almost players at the buyer and Nana I believe that Europe now when you look at players no value any players no quality any say amount this power one after almost transfer policy no be say Barcelona estimator because the way Barca team now after say one more offer a brand Victor Roque from Paranaenses in Brazil at the buyer Barca for Atria 30 million and not in installment and Omutia at the Ama Panathinaikos team. Apart from that, Barcelona offer Oriol Romeo and so at the buy from Ginola and 3 million pounds and it's almost a and apart from that, when you look at Abrante Inigo Martinez from Athletic Bilbao, Osha Abrante now, even at his age, the club will be Bafana. It be even more than 15 million pounds. But Barcelona offer by 3. And Abrante Ike Gundogan, and we all know that Gundogan and so Edgene Barca from Man City on a free transfer. And I know so and they Wapa Copa Abrante Joao Cancelo, Joao Felix, and so at the Abom team. And I believe that a perfect inclusion at the Majavi because now Bekaya in La Liga last season, the La Liga in Nigeria, Barcelona conceded 20 goals in La Liga. And apart from that, and also, when we say the weakest link of Barcelona in terms of almost conceding more goals, at the right back area.
Yeah.
And to watch 20 goals now, Barca conceded in the whole tournament now. I mean, 85% of goals conceded at the right back or because social Barca right back one man. The Tulicobo advantage Julius Kunde, they do the Dini about Sergio Roberto, and so then
Arao Munina to Mikobo.
Yes, Arao Munina, Elcobo, the right back position. Into no inconsistency. Our Barca left right back one and no 8 years affected more. And he said, and they offer Abrante Joao Cancelo, and so Edna by the right back position. In name said from Manchester City or Bayern Munich, and we all know that these two teams in now about attacking football. A two here attacking minded player are obviously assisted that system. And I prefer Abrante Joao Cancelo equally a very good replacement at the right back position at the Barcelona because of the way Otunya attack and the way Otunya defend in terms of attack. A very good Otunya ratio now. I believe that was so he has averagely about 56% in terms of attacking rate. I think so a very good or not only with Barcelona because that is their system. One more airball. And also Abrante Joao Felix. Who said Joao Felix about now man for the na Joao Felix is a position then or Eden or Babebo. Because Nana Sawacha Jaguar, what we say of late, they say Abrante Pedri, Ike Gundogan, Frankie de Jong, and Romeo, and Obomo as the 4 meals for day. And he said, nay, Obo ABR 4-4-2, and after what's the sound of formation? No about the 3-4-2-1. The GDA said, with the inclusion of Joao Felix, the day to near to see that system. Because Joao Felix, so what the next strike from the right wing, what the next strike from the left wing, and after what born behind strikers now for you very good. But there be on one company potential, no one parameter, what born behind a striker, into KBA, or Baba born behind Abrante Lewandowski. And one and the numbers, it's to me, Emma. The 3 walls, and a baby to me, I am your paper on your day. Now, it depends on Zavi. If that will be the case, I was so to me varying the practice, never flexible. Send me a bay of granted, if the Abasa Bebo 4-3-3, obeying your man, I mean, that particular position, no idea where to me about because for now, Obia all boss our position, Pedri. and then Pedri in because of injury. And you know, Wama Gundogan and airbus our position, you know, so am Gavi, and so about the central midfield role. It's in the force Barca a very good market, and also players no more than Mabani. I believe they are players some of are interested that will make me see Barca almost system now. And of course Real Madrid.
And go wrap you up on Madrid there no so mamina.
Yes. Also Real Madrid one say Madrid so answer than here match signing via player moko fan about them by Bellingham and other delay and Abrante fan Garcia ne Pepamo Joselu ne Brahim Diaz and omo players omo buy and all these players they be now be balloon also Kepa balloon Joselu balloon and Fran Garcia no omo dey 4.3 Papa no see via Balacano and so edin by team and Abrante what me justify me who Abrante your friend of Bellingham because in playing 3 consecutive games in La Liga now what me share 4 goals. I think that the last time I'm a big player was Cristiano Ronaldo. What you say? And now no answer Abrante no what we're writing him so easily. I don't know so Dumano and mom. So I think Florentino Perez after the stage of transfer at the Real Madrid one team. It's in the say Osha Europa, Nana, Mepo said this time, Omotinia see a very good impact on the number of players Omodi Omaba with the price are some the top players, you know. Going forward, you know, how best are the bit competitive effectiveness in various competitions are the rebel it was more especially in the Champions League and then in the domestic league.
Okay, I think it's a Govi. Aboninya tofa. Edi amaya no pay. You better ask papa. Na Monday so you be remu. Na yahwe teams no and players on between assign no how impact positive impact ben and those players in between Edi aba clubs and looking at Man United especially Sofiane Amrabat, Abrante friend Johnny Van Taba, Mason Mount, a lot of players that team about how well I'm between fitting to the system of coach and friend Eric Ten Hag. Ninja you be man Chelsea make about 17 signings but Bebrinaye Mofra we welcome Mofra I been so Cologne and you know we look at all those things and then Liverpool team make one key signing me I'm so happy about Abrante friend Ryan Gravenberch from Bayern because now Liverpool like a defensive midfielder and now we're talking about the partnership between Ryan Gravenberch Abrante and Daniel Szoboszlai and I think so McAllister on Finfia a very solid pass. So on Monday a better kill stories no and as a clubs no stories no na I don't see it my fam at the few.
Okay. And I'm dance.
I don't pay me dance papa.
Okay.
All right, and you know Henry Kofi Asar Jr. ono Enson Choni ana ye no Edin Komono yemra fie na abeya for senior duty wa Sansuna and then George Odro and so na wa ha ono na need agudie no na ya na ye no ya politics na gina fa so na George so ha ye bedin komo but I no pe ma men cow say ne no wa Vena Water obere mu nsuo say udi dwuma bi oye yoto party and I say na ayefro bi boys girls mushia nsuo na mobanom ntie ne obanom nsuo dia eno ene Vena Water na Vena Water nye nsuo bi akeke nsuo a onoma ema wapomudin ejina na nanso unipadua skin no eye fresh o chia me my fresh ama me fans nyina na nyantwe Vena Water na menom anope producer e de bia Google glass me ama me a me bobo ntie ne obanom nsuo dia eno ane Vena Water nti ene wuramu na afi nsuo no ma sanka Vena Water na oto Vena na enyesa wato na Vena fonso aji sika go mbotom da bi sika no moje a om de sachira amanfo abrabo so bia obi no ho akire no ese ye Vena munsuo na moto ye no sika ka ye nya no ye bie shop e de ama je na tena ho nteni ose changing lives na ese ose sa amanfo eye abrabo nteni uba no munsuo a na eno ane Vena Water bedi dwuma bia eno ane Vena Water ate ase nom na afi nso nipadua no enso no enyira ne nan so emfa emao ewo ho senior duty wa ha me bara kwa ba senior say bia kama
okay bia kama
bia fine
the weekend
so there free food
so we are when me be bia bi wo bia no na mama ya hye acho
be wurem na kudidi party say
we say it me list anka every week bia
na mo location ba men kan jira o Well, location bar some outdooring be naming ceremony be into no.
Ekoso.
Kroma ya.
When say we din yan say
dan. What the sounds are na ka obeko.
Obeko we
dey. Sound we fast akwa akodi about, you know. Free food.
Oh, okay. Any weekend say there na near my style. Nti no nya ba bi kwasha. Na yeah, na wa abu na wa dwon but say ne da bi ye ka no. Nyagopon da bi o bi mayen. Wa de ne so a che ya. Ya tinkoma ya anya ahwale ya ba adwuma so na etimi se nyame ayebi nti no etiefo nso yemi se nyame so ayebi ama wa woda so tinkoma wogo so tie se na ya ka da bia nti no ege ya da nyame ase se ama na watwe ase akwa abatu yemi.
Okay. Miami senior no asan mi senior. George Odro. George, say we be fine.
Mame, nyame adom em se obo de adaro mo de a chen sa. Mo jeri de afuru sang na tekrema da bodwoma. Na adom izi anope di bibia e fine. Bibia e fine para.
Afuno bia ho ye.
Busu bia ho ye eja won say do weekend sa na odi kan free food. Em say isa ne say won abutu adai wo kromo ani ntini. Free food no won abareng. Nti na me was na oni senior on duty reach say mo location ya.
Me na mo location no ni location.
Say free food no won abareng a wo location gitu e. Na wa kire yem bi ne ya bi wo. Free food do won fa mo atiri mo de.
Me fa mo atiri mo de o so show location.
Oh, na ka wa bua na ye nyina ye meet wo location.
Okay, ya kwa be kire mo na. Ayi ntino honorable Kofi Asante Bempo. Anope honorable Mamichi awone oto ne badin. You know,
on free food.
And honorable Kofi Bempo anope oto ne badin. You know, you never call na support honorable na bibia I come, you know. I don't know.
But when honorable then they say mischief.
Oh,
or said that train ya.
And I would
to say, mammy moon. Cruise here or me with it.
The honorable anope in chair or to the badin. Honorable Kofi Bempo, assemblyman at the Mount Sign Broom. Electoral area. Good morning and confirm. I want to hear and my friend in a champa papa. Yabba, I have a support. But you made come out time and you made come out. So now need to English Premiership and that's the top flight European leagues and the matches are and a transfer deadline and rather to me and I transfer to me by Nina Ewie and signings and they are so shocking, surprising. And the answer and surprising. I feel same go see aga. Na memao 12 minutes na fa wura sanse ni nyina mu
ege bechia etiefo na enchia bekso akwa ogire unzo ogire post office chi wona ma ogire mi ogire
ye ogire ona oji aya odro na se ya
na mi se ogire ne yeminipa ogire ne yeminipa na me ne chairman ntina we say ma betena na yese mitia no anopa me ba hu say wabuye mu wo ho a otie ye wo ho no ntino
otu ofo na gentia no
ode
otu ofo no ma na ode
o eni na wo mu nsuro ni na wo mu nsuro etimi balance bi wo baby ntino ege ntime meka se ntia enkoma ogre ane ne mari nyina se won atwa sia wo ho a eke wotie ye wo se won se won so 20 eboso fufu eboso wo ho ntino ne dey say free one ya free food and wa gbo afa ho wa ko hwe bi nso wo ho na ayekama ege meba transfers no ma ege wo hwe transfer yes ye buye futrom juna bepem ebesi enei andra transfer deadline be wie no ni na ye expect say the players teams no ebedi gwa more na wo hwe teams a edi gwa more a na eke na ye beka say in the English Premier League ni one what more pa no ebe ye Nottingham Forest and Chelsea wo hwe one what top papa say it means wo ko se da call market the sika call market ko ye gwa kama but wo hwe teams ni bi aka na wo ye strategic signing Man City, Liverpool, Man United wo hwe ne ehu hia won e den wo toy but wo hwe sena na meka no wo hwe Man U a one players eba ho ye players a coach ni say ebeboya won sa players na the coach na the ekofa won bai nti ebeka say obi a auto player bia no enim say sa player na the ebeboya ni tina the koto ne bai that's the reason Man U ekofa sa players ni na the one bai wo hwe City this season one only 4 players 4 players ni players who fit team no say 4 players who fit team okay go the guy right Mahrez Cancelo no man we one na san kwato dey san dey we be shame to the sense say wo hwe City team now for now no man we say City team no team or top player be a obefimu no the same player no wakoto no the wa be shame because team no den aya ready aware den wo team no ye team aya set up adwuma de da wonti no say we fimu no wakoto no na be shame we fimu no wakoto no da be shame that's the reason tia o hwehwe City okoto da only 4 players here then other one be because that's the players the only okoto on by eke ye hwe Man U what the almost 6 players or 7 players here then by Messi, Mount, Andrew, Nana, Hogla and James John Evans or the one by eke Anrabat Abba because Oshes Anrabata na ye player only say bibia then ekosia watch for 2 months ago what question in Kenya akwesendra ekoye loan then or by obligation to buy and in next season eke or buy we eke na Oshe regular obepue mu wo Sergio regular obepue mu Man U na ye na nim say ade Chelsea and Man U aye bibia we kokoara ho but we say in English Premier League you know there's a rule on say in one season one player team in some 2 clubs in one season into no share Man U they will now on a going here now we to the sense in January say ni players ni play na left back for na play na babaka I was all back which our contract na san go back to team say be yes that means say in one season no kukuera say ma Chelsea obesa ma Man U was back to nice 3 seasons say about how yes regulation no and that's the reason here we team call back offer Sergio Aguero because Sergio Aguero loan outside England and was back that means England we no onimu then that's the reason here man then one who say say and yanko for no yemfa na say na be ya in the general season no che jado no kwa wetimi aden akwakobo the team Tottenham that's the reason they go for because anya say no go for Kokwara ba in the general window no ebe ha won dey na mai kwa ba sa eke ni na nim say Anrabat ye team player Man U fu hia na papa wo hia na defensive midfielder abetima abu because na kwa say Casemiro pe na den ewo mfimfini wo nti ba now wa betima ye den abanim je say Erik ten Hag betima make sure say eke but eke say me hwe sa City players what one by now say me catch me my percentage as for players buy betima ye dwuma eke mama 9/10 for this season say players na ba no because of Pep Guardiola how to ultimately then brand players awards team no ma remember 9/10 for players na ban say obetimi agele team no obetimi dey den aye adwuma for Pep Guardiola ege say me call Man U we players a won ba Messi Mount no mo ne ade a we say na Erik ten Hag ye good coach obetimi aboa ama bo say players me ya team agele eke say we players obetimi nya ball obetimi nya more playing time na otimi kira won ne so ne status obeso obo na etimi fa eke betima abo anti say me hwe Man U players buy ya na kesima eke mema 7/10 ewo players buy Man U no 7/10 say obetima den etimi abo etimi na matimi na den move akone ne mema 7/10 eke ene nim say Newcastle this season last season na new owners buy obefa team no na wo ye won adwen say we make sure say but to Toniama na at least this season na come wait to move from sa middle team na obele bia wo bo na come move aba sika but to surprise Arsenal otimi wure top 4 is now no yeka Champions League in the first time Newcastle den ekwakobo bi eke yes wo ko fa another players here they one abem okay players they work for about almost 6 players 7 players what they work for new players one they one ba say one mebua one na ending otimi nko wanim eke me hwe players e ba last season na coach of Newcastle otimi make sure brand one more otimi the hope she one otimi ye niam akese a na otimi ko wura ye Champions League ma otimi make say players abe ya eke otimi ma say coach otimi sa etimi ne won kasa ye na otimi kire on touch say hia na otimi jele otimi na betimi aboya Newcastle ma otimi akọ ne take say me back for percentage for Newcastle players abe ya eke mema 7 for say sa players abe na coach betimi use won ye na etimi aboya na akọ eke say me ko Liverpool oye this is na Liverpool ne team what on midfielders pa one me old midfielders ni na make sure we na akọ exception of we player ofi ba America obai Thiago de on cross or player o prepare dem wo ho ntine that's the reason je won akofa Soboslai McAllister na won akofa Watalo aye den ababe wurema ndra wotimi san another defensive midfielder I won say eke abu abapa efi ba me ka ye we den won abaye den ababe shim ran ababe shim a wotimi say eyade e betima agba because wo hwe Pep this season last season him say Pep use the wins and what the adwuma that's the reason ti abahu yebo season be wi na Robertson and I say Andre what you want my 14 and I said 10 assists because no use France or the adwuma but now no who say no teams in who style of playing then once and sano that's the reason you see wakofa midfielder wo team create Kagbo and McAllister when United team then 18 make sure we team create e won finfini and wakofa star players in the midfielders what they want but take but just say midfielders what they want buy e betima aboya ma Liverpool now o share ball about everything about this season o share Liverpool I don't know Laxon o be share bi but the team no be kwa e ball we no team dey over pass e na be boya won ti that's the reason why kofa defensive midfielder abo betima be gina defenders na be ya sa goals na wo share won no betima 20 say me call for Liverpool players abe o betima je memma won 8 over there memma no 8 over 10 for say coach betima den awisu won na otimi de wan den say adwuma no Semba Luton Tower, Ushe Luton Tower, with a relegation head and what by now, Elban Eke, what Makofa players Mark almost 11, say 12 for the one the Ababe with them. Say nearby ya, waiting my the Aka Premier League in him, but Ushe from the start of the game, Eke waiting me about a year. 3 matches Eke Ushe maybe a wadana, we say and yen so because Usha. Premier League na ya dia ye nie gure den ho nti ne wo bai no fine so obobo no right but eke enkoye wo hwendra ndra nwumire eye wasem timi hye won eye 2-1 wo ho no ma otimi se eyade bia hawaje because anytime bia obo bia otimi hye go but wo hye go ne go na obehye ne ntimi ma won eye points bia ntimi de emo won ntimi nko won ntimi ka se eke meka se for now ne de Luton Town se me ma percentage okay me ma won be ye 5 over 10 Luton Town ma won eke and the teams are surprising me. I want to say Chelsea for this want to players more. It been about for loan with Nottingham Forest. Okay, for last season Nottingham Forest for 2 players almost bare 20. Or 2 players almost 20. This season one start to players 17. I would say that 7 players 17 now bani na Arabeka other players that on there one Obasamba be adwuma no so. Jinam bisa mo say all those players na alcohol no the possibility say some players na betima nya ball ni bia bo ana because me wa say wo 11 the da wo ho wo players the da wo ha wo ho da eke na wasan kwata another 17 asan ba be den aba kan one wo ba for loan sa loan players in wo so timi de wo jale eke o hwendra e ka de say Bashua ye antiman de am because ana go nyina wo den wo nyina wo ma ye say nko all the one but nyema bi nti ama Bashua ye de antiman mebudam ti wo ka say o hwe I tell for a place I want on about a door on do. Maybe when you say doors because about how I coach you send a baby beating me out of turning maybe but one win him sending ahead and what because we be say on better this in what relegation I say relegation 30 be there how so that's the reason to go fast place my empire am say that place we go for abayin na betimi aye adwuma no na etimi aboya no tian for say na be ya wonti me the encore relegation na etimi aboya eke enti say me ka my percentage eke no tian for say member 5 over 10 for a place I want one aba no say na be obetimi aye adwuma no na coach ni betimi aboya na etimi den akon wanim eke me fan wie e wo Chelsea o hwe this season na teams are 2 players per Chelsea a part of them. I will show you England or to almost 17 players. Okay, for under Tobol, you know, Chelsea team are spending almost 1 billion. Our under Tobol, but okay, we should say players or two in a biwa be or high. The one then I could loan. I will bet me then Abuya Timono Senebeya. Timono a bit me then at my okay. Apart from say 1 billion coach in a to bully spending na eke we share this season na the most record team our England here player team what team sell more pa for this season na ya to pa but we share players are team aton one ya to almost 295 million pounds this season which means say apart from say to bully mo what on now was what on no was to why then eton bi film did that the reason about pressing baby then efuma etimi den aboya yen a etimi akonti eke meka say for now na the teams in aye more signing o hwe net spending na aye 770.6 billion a Chelsea aye for this season meka say eke for now the transfer window no bibi akwa wie obi abeto but aka say players in bedden ebe gele nti e kete me ka me percentage for Chelsea players aba mama 7/10 say obetimi atimi bobo ni na wetimi awe mo e top for this season.
All right, I know senior on duty. I don't know. Jojo Dro. Rama na o Barca. Barca and you know. Ramu kakra on FC Barcelona, but I think said the UEFA Champions League draw on so no about no nya kwenya nkan ho asem kakra on the UEFA Champions League, and also nya odo come from the transfers course so our year Europe a few months atwa mo no
wa me da se me fa chia enchia kese ma watifo a wotie na no pa wie
amanfo nzo hu ze ono we say politician you know born and when you about we politician
na Kwame me je say football community bia and say football team bia no se wo na wo nya nsakrai wo team ana me ready say team no be say nyin inti transfers no money other things na ya wo yin na na ehia na emom senior on duty kasa no also the way wo Chelsea so and na car won a sheda bo emu bi wo ha ye support team no Michael Essien no na de enko Chelsea inti Chelsea team no de en akoma so na ye pese support bebedu we bi na afede from last season ball and ade a Chelsea bona enkoyi but I hope say new signees here na ade a won ayi de ebetumi ama akwe ama won
Chelsea Sika was spending on transfer and also saying the entire La Liga Sika
for this season we be a transfer window summer in Chelsea spending 464 million
from January
make this summer
from January and
yeah
Chelsea
1 billion
and also saying La Liga entire La Liga signings are what yeah
and October
it's Kwame say it's now yes signings in every na uwie na team no enye cup ba kokra na kwa wani mana say obai so ade a na ya say yen so ana say na yen so ye hwe ni I think say I'll dwell on Barcelona na Kwame Barcelona no mempe no say me pese na Messi wo but me pen as a team one tactics I would boy me fe but it's a hard time the Spain community nagasano ebejai racism any other staffs because player like Ansu Fati ball no ball or ba wo ja boy na man ko idea I don't think say Xavi no per se team ni
Xavi ababon ti abekasa de afa Ansu Fati hu say Barcelona as a club no ewo plans edema Ansu Fati or a part of their future a year better way or Barca into not say where Jan Manako, but definitely after the loan spell, no, he will come back and coming back. Also, go to me Cologne Oba and team Anton outright. But this time around, he will come back and he will be part of Barcelona future plans. That's what the coach have.
Fine. What can I say? Yes,
but practically,
maybe yes. But ye misses boy no or team ni ma ni inputs. Na what team ni mo? You are then be replacing no more inputs than sa player nana. Anso Fati ball obo ye nyina ehwe no ball obo no ne ball no obo no won anim e konkan position a wode ne to won so omo no obo ni ye meyi be say bia ni role no obo no nipa 2 and 3 bi wo ha specifically once wo ball no de ne wo ha me fa say competition wo na wo say okay na ba konkwa but o yes won aka ni nyina
on his position there I think so I will agree because it was Ferran Torres and I'm only adding a challenge, for new position. And I don't think so. But one thing how Ansu Fati or Nagasaka injuries. If it wasn't injuries, and by now, or that level, that top football.
Barcelona to give you number 10 jersey. I won't find you good. So Tamana Ansu Fati from Academia La Masia now Olebano. Ocean the ball in all the Barcelona fans in Obian will say this is another Messi or then Oba. That's the reason why number 10 man. But Oshe Ansu Fati planned also. That's the reason the egg how no. And Intina William Mendes making sure say no, this is my best player. But send a beya obetimi nya more playing time e wo man Barca no onko revive ne career no samra back that's the reason Barca for Antonio because nanka ade Brighton fire one what on outright but what you say no it's part of them because when we say plana how no say obetimi antima abobo ne yedi a onko ye there onko nya more playing time no samra back the bam boy say oba Brighton o me play wo biem na obetimi aboya nka be say aboya na ma next season ye be best of Ansu Fati.
Okay, and George Intino o wrap up
me wrap up on an event transfers no na me say na senior on duty reka bibi say Obon Pai say Olympia. Football de bibia to me see. What I say? But all the same, maybe or a player, I think say Jana wo Jana man koy no. Because when be boy ne kra wo Barcelona.
Very true.
Ne kra all the bobo ni nyina wo Barcelona. So what I say? And idea me say me another good one am so me then say Mohamed Kudus. From
Ajax
to West Ham. I think say made a correct move, mommy. Because you see, English Premier League nankasa a league we are seeing now. And yet now say Saudi Arabia no more ba players ni na akwaku go. Meaning say now Kwame before God demand Saudi Arabia na nkofu kono so. Won asani nyina na ko no.
One carry
out inside. Age na ma wasan. Oh, senior. Senior.
Ronaldo so one side.
Oh, na say wasan, Ronaldo wasa.
Man inside.
Oh, hira.
Sadio Mane on side.
Wasa ono so. Kwame won asesa ne senior duty won. Kwame won asesa. So what I say? But now go for arguments be say ebe ma sa league no, but no. English Premier League. Mohamed Kudus many a German. Baby okon me je say obe shine more than say no Ajax no. Ti ebe mani pakra any crowns why then aba ne ho ne other teams. Another one has to do with the move of English England captain
Maguire.
There be England captain of anything.
Is it Henderson? The current captain.
Kane.
Yeah, Harry Kane. Yeah, Harry Kane. Yeah.
To Bayern Munich. Yeah. Men who some input be say Sabri do to me feeding the ball more go pa.
Yes.
It simply means say obe shine because only pa wa bobo me something nyina na cap yen won adede. Some move no crowd wan kwanka ye nyina ye de anu betu mo bete wo baby one because only pa bobo la cap ba kukura ni wa obetu me de. Asi wo jaka say ball wa bo nyina wo don say.
Okay, you know, yabasha na yakọ na Jojo draw kwekwa na no politician or Sunday board fra na dia. Yabasha na yakọ but mami wa kwenya na so fra na Fabra na wa dwinche bi on the transfer as a course. So any other stories we so di won come na betima fra ba 0551667755 0551667755 0270191971 0270191971. Can come big on Facebook. Also watching you live from Amasaman, best sports ever. On also media, watching me area about Elder Set, and so the media about thumbs up. And also the message. And on the Global Sports, we move more fire. Sounds so now the AK, the boss player, keep up, keep the fire burning. And also the message. And so Starboy message. Yeah, man, can't remember now. Starboy message or the abano and so watching the show live and clear at Afumem Airport. Champion Kelvin, more fire. Real Madrid is winning today against Getafe. Greetings to Yasma, Kwejo Space, Oyibo Boateng, and my lovely father. No joke. I know your message, Starboy and so the abba and no. But Yebeko na you made the account. But George, this political party China mobile game.
Yeah, Kwame. Oh, Kwame na se me na okay. Mi jina me na so na me boy ne. Na sini on duty jina say Yeah. Kwame nya me adoma ochina ewo Kokom Park. Ochina ewo Kokom Park. Ekwapem North Youth Wing NDC. Soccer Fiesta ebaso ewo Kokom Park. Lower Hills versus the Upper Hills. Ebekoso ewo Kokom Park. Ochina 2 p.m. Ewia ochina kwesida ina pon asori pe nkoyi wo kra wo fie baby say okoye Kokom Park o chena 2 p.m. pepepe na dwumadi ni nyina abia me say me gina mu constituency chairman gina mu secretary gina mu ti wo hwe afuru nkwan a wo park no so re bobo na ye afuru ketwa itira say say nyina ye bomoden ana
o man kana
what's what bobo
there be say if you boys here what the young boy
this support and what support ni
there say if you boys we koyi
I think so good about details of that about details of that
free food so wo ha o ma ye hu
Kwame free food wo muti wo bra fiti ya kokoko mu de em say ye nyina ye faka e wo station a ye bedu kokoko mu fefefe ye aguri a ye didi aboabo aye ho sisi ne de se na o mangni ma aye no lord of bribing fuel bribing it is ana me nyina no ye sha anka ye ne pemara se anka ye bitumi edi se adwumadi no na emom obi amra no me support sene a yedi ye ka no obi amra no me support e wo Kokom Park ochina 2 p.m. Yes, Lower Hills versus the Upper Hills. Apart from that, Kwame your side attraction ludu or worry cards playing and other stuffs are lime and spoon no money I didn't see ochina the whole constituency move to Kokom won abutu ada we Kopon e so hanti into me dwumadi no hanti e Kokom. It's the whole constituency. Ubia o ball ache. Ubia yinyina ye maye mu so a.
Ubia o ye
ubia momode anse obeba. We NDC no we MPP ni o. Say MPP fo no kura gwan so ubia amra. Ubia amra Kwame.
Hey politicians in the casa. All right, and you know yeribesi na yetimi akobare yakoi. Wada first one to so na menye birthday wish no. Na yankwa na a draw so but me nupe na my birthday is a guma ni no a draw so papa but me nupe na me na yetimi akwanti fa first one to so na yenwura mu na yentumi enye na bibibia enso no enye kama elhana enti I don't know enti are you ready whether are you ready and yankwanti and pay happy birthday and confirm Francisca and then birthday Nyamisha papa na onye okesie sene ade bia uti okoma global sports no yakopo enka wona ontre wa hyemu onye ofi adumu enko adumu ne da akoma so nyina no hwede ampo na nkasa enso no enye Informati Francisca of Hetty Home ene birthday Nyamisha bebre na onye okesie okoma global sports yase ye do pa anti anonso no na Francisca Man City no Upper Man City rough Upper Man City papa anti na ne I know birthday no offer papa Facebook for one channel tata
I don't want tata kwanda ngode ya
what the year visit no
okay kwanda ngode ya
kwanda then kwen waware kwanda waware kwangrada waware nti eno so de ati wada fa ayin so na me yanu fo na yan sorry yan fa no to so na yan yanu fo na yan sorry na we efi adwuma wura ho na nasafo efi anko incoming assemblyman of Abuaso Kwapman ana anopodi amame say me wesi eye mami oforiwa ene eye birthday na adwumawura na nasafo ifianko so we say happy birthday yami sure bebre na onka ho adom eni hira ana sere ede ama enkwatenten a ene anwodun wom ene sika ana adwumawura so sere ede ama nti mami oforiwa happy birthday bibia obiano na menka ho na so no onye okese papa from eye na nasafo ifianko adwumawura incoming assemblyman Edemabuasa Okwapma no so we show happy birthday yankoi na dwumadi aka emeto aso ane no
big shout out kaka inchaka senkoma Luzinda Hushe se me de unza abrofudin de Luzinda Hushe Nyamisha Charlie you are listening Nyamisha there
and then where we
Kwame na ga obeze ngare
it may be you di ya corner jumedi akato asana se kesen confirm one expert Sansona Tontina 74 T74 and afin so Vena Water omukremu a ya the sports ne babara no pe amen kan just obeso no command radio edigra yes sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔne ɛdi dwa sɛ wotɔn adeɛ wopɛ sɛ yɛbɔ ho dawuro ɛfama wo woyɛ sɔfoɔ wopɛ sɛ wopreachi wopɛ radio station apreachi a ɛno a ɛyɛ Ɔkoman radio saa nso na wade ayera yɛmmɔ ho dawuro anaa yɛnka to mframam na ɔne a wafa no ɛmfa mmra a wobɛhu Ɔkoman radio a yɛn nso yɛbɛdi wo gyamuna yɛbɛdi wo dwuma ɛde ama wo ɛba na ɛyie nka ɛbɔ Ɔkoman radio ɛyɛ general announcement saa nso na ɛne wopɛ sɛ yɛne wodi kaso bom na yɛnyɛ business marketing a ne nyinaa no Ɔkoman radio nso no ɛbɛyɛ ɛde ama wo nti ɛno nso ɛno no saa nso na ɛne wowɔ nnwom musicians no momfa mmra mpɛ sɛ yɛ promote de ma wo a ne nyinaa no bɔ Ɔkoman radio ahyehyɛ no boɔ no da fam kamakama ɛne wo nyinaa bɛyɛ na biribia akɔ n'anim woyɛ program wɔ abɔnten wobɛ sɛ yɛmɛkɔva ɛmfa ma wo ne nyinaa no Ɔkoman radio yɛsɛ yɛbɛba ne abɛyɛ ɛde ama wo nti wopɛ nkyerɛmu bi a wobɛtumi afrɛ number sɛdidi so yi 020-299 0202 993475 0202 993475 and 0508 889198 0508 889198 and then they try to 0246 246 875 0246 246 875 ofra penyifo no bedi nkomo afi nso hihie obi ano amamawate ase aha Ɔkoman 97.1 and that's like a second former executive producer Yera Kwekubo Atinsanso na Gideon Into Nana Kofi Okoriajiman Ziggy Donzi Sanso na no Damia the boy munyina a boy MCR and so no a DJ Weather and I think DJ Ziggy B and so a Oti senior on duty enka Sanso na my guest on the show no was a George Odro Jr. Ono a deputy constituency youth organizer Edema a NDC ono so no Ebeka Edi and Komo my producer Nino K Brown, yes, something in our go crata so Edimamia, Mr. Mediby, and a weekend, Ayana also no what see na wash on we, no uncle Fasimbia Amba. Meeting at Kelvin and Ponsa Eddie. Yamwa, Monday, Ebisia, nothing so on Yakebia, Ediaba. Good afternoon.
Face covered like a Taliban, just a bad man moving bad. All me want is some peace of mind.